Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet two together dc2tog. So what you're going to do is you're going to start out like you're making a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into your stitch to be worked, draw through a loop. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now you got 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to work your next stitch from your previous round, doing the exact same thing you just did. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw through a loop. Now you got 4 loops on your hook, and you'll yarn over, draw through 2. So you want to start to make a double crochet twice, leaving the last loop on your hook. Now you're going to do your final yarn over, draw through all 3 loops. That's a double crochet 2 together. It turns 2 stitches into 1. I'm going to do a couple double crochets to move over a little bit. Okay, I just did a double crochet 2 together, turning 2 stitches into 1. Now I'm going to do a double crochet 3 together. You'll use 3 stitches in your previous round to make this stitch. You'll do the same thing you did for the double crochet 2 together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, draw through a loop. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Leave that last loop on your hook, so now you got 2 loops on your hook with 1 stitch worked. Now you want to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw through. Now you got 4 loops. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now you got 3 loops on your hook. The first 2 stitches have been worked. Now you got to do it 1 more time for a DC3 together. Yarn over, insert into the next unworked stitch, draw through a loop. Now you got 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, draw through 2. So you've made a double crochet almost to the end 3 times using 3 separate stitches. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. The first one you started with, then you started making the double crochet 3 times in 3 different stitches. Do your final yarn over and draw through all 4 loops on the hook. Now I just turned 3 stitches down here from the previous round into 1 stitch up here. I'll do a couple more DC and do them both again. Okay, double crochet 2 together. Make the first part of a double crochet and leave it on the hook. Go into the next unworked stitch, do it again. Make the first part of a double crochet, leaving that last loop on the hook. Do your final yarn over, draw through all 3 loops. I'm going to do the double crochet 3 together right next to it. So I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to use up 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3. So now I got 3 stitches used up from the former row. I've got 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to do my last yarn over and draw through all of them to turn those 3 stitches into 1. And that is a double crochet 3 together. And you do the exact same thing for DC4 together, DC5, DC6 together. It's all the same. You just keep that last loop from your double crochet on your hook until you get the right number of stitches used up. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a DC5 together. So I've used up 5 stitches down here from the previous round. And I've got 6 loops on my hook with a double crochet done halfway in 5 stitches. Now I'll do my last yarn over and draw through all of the loops on the hook. That's a DC5 together. So it's pretty simple. A DC2 is the same as the DC3, DC4, DC5 together. You just keep making half of a double crochet and leaving that last loop on your hook. Then once you have all the number of stitches worked that you need to, do your last yarn over and draw through all the loops on the hook. And that's all you got to do. I hope this helps. Thank you.